The other thing with the Yiddish culture was Sundays, because Sundays you went on a walk on College Street, or you went visiting, and you ran into everybody, and you heard Yiddish on the street, and they would talk to you, and you would talk to them, and they'd be going with the kids, and that was very much a cultural kind of thing, because it was on every Sunday, because most people had Sunday off. Many people had to work on Saturday, and they were not regular shul goers. But you saw everybody on Sunday on College Street, and that's what you did. My father had a chicken store in Kensington, and my job, from the time I was 6 years old, was to take the carpet bag after school with pots for his dinner. And I would walk probably 2 or 3 miles, because we lived what is now Little Italy, along College Street, past Bathurst, to Spadina, turn, and then walk about another half mile down to Baldwin Street, where my father's store was. I never felt unsafe, because all along, whether it was the shoemaker, the grocer, they knew, I'm here, like clockwork. So there were eyes on the street, the Jane Jacobs thing, all the way down. So people knew. They were all like little businesses. There was the place where you had your coats made, all these kind of things. It wasn't Restaurant Row as it is now. But people knew, and they'd say, hello, Malkala, Geistentaten, yeah. and nobody thought twice about it. Now you're afraid to let your kids go a half a block. And if it got bad, I got a nickel for a streetcar to come home. But that was, and in the market I knew everybody, and everybody knew me. And my brother used to help in the holidays, because he'd have live chickens that you had to take to the shochet. Well, there was the fish store, and you learned that you washed your hands with lemons from the fishmonger. There was the cheese store. There was the Treif meat store. There was the grocer who had canned goods, but had sacks of beans and lentils and all of these things. There was the people who sold eggs, just to understand that they would get from a wholesaler. There was the clothing stores. There was, what else? Clothing store, hardware stores. I still have my $5 salad bowl that I got as a gift. What else? Wonderful bakeries. Wonderful bakeries. And
what would you get from the bakeries?
Oh, best rye bread. You can't get rye bread like that here.